I'd like to share a hardware challenge called Heuristic Planning. Here is the basic experiment. The robot has a map of the grid world with a starting location and a goal. It uses the A-star heuristic to calculate an optimal plan to reach the goal. Unfortunately, when the robot starts moving, it discovers a number of new holes. Each time a hole is discovered, the robot needs to recalculate the optimal plan. The actual setup is a simplified version of this same problem. The robot has a map of this 3x3 grid world with just the starting location and the goal. There are holes in this grid world, but the robot doesn't know about them yet. The robot originally plans to travel right and then down to the goal, but it discovers a hole along the way. The robot must continue to plan until it finds a clear path to the goal. This is the hardware needed to run this experiment. For the robot to travel north, south, east, and west in this grid world, it needs to have mechanism wheels. It also needs to have a line detector underneath the robot to detect the holes marked as black crosses. Here we have a running demonstration of the experiment. The robot will turn its headlights green when it is running. The first plan is to travel right, then down. That failed, so the headlights turn red. The second plan involves crossing through the middle of the grid. That also failed when the robot hits a hole. The final plan takes the robot down and then across. This plan allows the robot to successfully reach the goal and its headlights turn blue. And that's it. Thanks for watching this heuristic planning hardware challenge.